All right, so we're going to start some microgreen seeds. Here's some radish seeds and some peas. So these are the ones I'm going to try out first. I have these trays and I have water in the trays that are just up to the screen. And then in this one I have a paper towel because the radish seeds were a little bit too small. So I have a like a 1-ply paper towel. I had a 2-ply paper towel and I tore it apart. These are my pea seeds. I really this is my first time I really underestimated the amount of seeds that came in these packages. I tried to get a small sample, but they don't fill up the trays, so I had to kind of push them into the middle. You want them kind of close together because they support each other. And here the radish seeds did the same thing. So just I'm showing you my failures as I go. That wasn't enough radish seeds in that package, so I get all these put together kind of in the center. And then I'm spraying these down with some water. Keep the seeds wet so they can germinate. I plan on doing this every evening and every morning until they germinate to keep them wet. And then these trays that I got, they came with these. It's like a thin piece of paper, so I assume that helps to keep that moisture in and on the seeds. So I'm spraying down that piece of paper a little bit to get some moisture in there, and hopefully the seeds don't stick to that piece of paper. But then I put another tray on top of those. You want your seeds to be weighted down a little bit. So I put these are just 2-pound weights that I'm putting on there to keep it weighted down. And then I'm going to put this in on a dark shelf, and you want it to be dark. And I'll give updates later.